Welcome back to the Power-Based tutorial series. I am Josue Guillen with the Progressive Technology Project, and we are going to look at running the deduping mechanism in Power-Based and CiviCRM. And so we are going to go to Find and Merge Duplicate Contacts. We have a list of the different rules for households, individuals, and organizations. We are going to use the new rule that we created, which we'll show it to you briefly. And it says first name, last name, and phone number matches, and that's a duplicate, or first name, last name, and street address up to the first 8 characters of the street address matches, and that is a duplicate. And so we are going to use this rule, and we have an option of just running it based on a group. So you create a new group, you can say just see if anyone in this group is duplicated, or you can run it with all your contacts. We're going to do that and click continue, and the database is going to process, and it identifies 9 entries that met the criteria. And so we can decide it's not a duplicate and let the database know that, or we can go through the merge process one at a time. I click on the very first one, and we see the interface for duplicates, where one record shows up on the right-hand side and one record on the left-hand side. And if we want to keep any of the data, we check the box to mark it as data that we want to bring over. In this case, we see that the phone number is the same, so we do not need to do that. And we can merge and go to the next pair, merge and go to the listing. We can cancel, we can just go to the next record. So we're going to do 2. We're going to merge and go to next pair, and then we're going to look at the second record, and the second record does have the same phone number. We don't need to keep that, although if it were a different phone number and we wanted to add it as a new number, we could check the box, and it would not erase this number. It would add an additional home phone number. If we changed the location to other, then we would then be adding this number as another phone number as opposed to a home phone number. We're not going to do anything with the phone. We are going to keep constituent type. Constituent type is a multi-check box. You can have more than one result here, and so we want to make sure that member and constituent are kept, and so we're going to go ahead and do that. And we'll use merge and go to listing so that we can see that we still have these left to process. This is something that your database administrator should do on a regular basis, every month, every couple of months, to make sure that you are identifying duplicates.